Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your hacked GitHub account. In this video, I will show you how to change and reset your password and how to recover your account if the hacker changed your email or phone number. Head down to the description or comment section to view the timestamps. Let's go. To change your password, click on your profile at the top right, and then you want to click Settings. And then you want to click Password and Authentication. And right here next to password, you want to click Change Password. And then you want to type in your old password and your new password and click Update Password. If you're logged out, you can try to access GitHub from another device or browser that you already may be logged into. And if you're unable to log in, then you will need to reset your password. To reset your password, head over to GitHub's login page and click Forgot Password. Then you want to enter in your email address and complete the CAPTCHA. Click Submit. Then you want to go ahead and click Send Password, Reset Email. And you want to check your inbox for a message from GitHub. So the email should look like this, and it should come from noreply@github.com. And you can click here, reset your password. And then here you can type in your new password and click change password. If you can't find your account information, then you would need to go to the next recovery step. If your email was changed, you want to head over to GitHub's support page, support.github.com. It's on your screen now and it will also be in the description as well. And then you want to click Can't Sign In since you can't sign into your account. And then you want to enter in your email address here. And for the reason below, you want to select Other. And then complete the CAPTCHA again. And click Submit. And then you want to go and check your email for a message from GitHub. So the email should look like this, and it should come from noreply@github.com. And you can copy the code in and paste it into the support window. And now here you want to go down and click Account or Billing Issues. And now here you want to fill out the GitHub support form. So you want to enter in your name. Under what do you need help with? Select Other. And then for subject, you can put something like, my account was hacked. And under description, you can use the format that I have in the description to tweak it to your situation. And once you're done, you can complete the CAPTCHA and click Send Request and wait for a response from GitHub support. Here are some tips on securing your GitHub account. Secure your email. Verify that the email and or phone number on the account belong to you. Make your email primary and remove any unknown emails. Use different and strong passwords across all sites. Enable 2FA. Go to settings and sign out of everywhere. And revoke any suspicious third-party apps or third-party accounts. If you follow the steps in this video and still having trouble with your account, join our Discord community. You'll get help from both us and other members to guide you through the account recovery process and secure your account. For more severe cases, we offer one-on-one single and multi-account recovery help for comprehensive support with hacks affecting multiple accounts. Click the link in the description or on your screen now to join our Discord and get help recovering and securing your account today. Thanks for watching. Stay secure.